Good morning, students. In the last few classes, we have started with the revision for Essay 1 exam. So, we have started with unit number 1, that is the lighthouse. We already finished with the revision. So, now we are moving on to the unit number 1 only, the poem, that is the rainbow. Okay, so let us discuss with the question and answers which is there in your the rainbow poem. Answer the following questions. Boats, ships, and clouds are all pretty. Which is the prettiest among them? So, boat, ship, and clouds all are pretty. Now, which is the prettiest among them? Among boat, ship, clouds, and pretty. So, which is prettiest? Clouds is more prettiest. Okay. So second question, why does the bow do? What does the bow do? So second question, what does the bow do? A option, bridges a road from earth to sky. B option, bridges heaven and earth. C option, both A and B. So what does the bow do? Builds a road from earth to sky, bridges heaven and earth. Both the options is correct. So both A and B. Next, coming to the third question, what is much prettier than the bridges on the rivers? So what is much prettier, students? The rainbow that bridges heaven and the earth. B option, boats that sail on the rivers. C option, ships that sail on the seas. So what is the much prettier than the bridges on the river? The rainbow that bridges heaven and earth. So next, fourth question. In the second stanza of this poem, what does the poet compare the rainbow to? In the second stanza of this poem, what does the poet compare the rainbow to? In the second stanza of this poem, the poet compares the rainbow to bridges on the rivers and road from earth to sky. Next is fifth question. Have you seen a rainbow? What are different colors we find in a rainbow? So, yes, sometimes I have seen rainbow after the rainfall. The colors of rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So here they have given expand the following letters to get the names of the colors in a rainbow. So V is for violet, I is for indigo, blue is for blue, B is for blue, G is for green, Y is for yellow, O is for orange, R is for red. So students, this is the revision of the rainbow poem, and also we are going to do the sympathy poem also. We'll be doing the revision for that poem also. So here is the sympathy poem. Be doing the revision for this poem also for in the today's video class. Coming to the question and answer, students, answer the following questions. How did the proud man react to the poet's sorrow? So proud man gave him good, but he didn't speak to him kindly. Second question, what do you mean by his looks were cold? So what do you mean by his looks were cold? His looks were cold means proud man's behavior was very unfriendly. Third question, in spite of having gold, the poor man was not happy. Why? The poor man wanted love and care, but the proud man gave him gold. So he is not happy. Who is not happy? Poor man. Fourth question, the poet paid back the proud man. What does this tell you about the poet's character? So poet is a self-respected person, or poet's character is self-respected. Next, fifth question. State any two ways by which the poor man expressed his sympathy. So which are the two ways, students? Poor man bounded poet's head. He gave him bread. So next, sixth question. What according to the poet is greater than gold? So according to the poet, what is greater than gold? According to the poet, sympathy is greater than gold. Next, seventh question. Explain the last two lines of the poem. So the last two lines of the poem says that sympathy is greater than gold. So these are the questions which you have in sympathy poem. So I'll be giving the homework. You need to write in your homework book itself. I'll be giving the questions for revision. Okay. So thank you, students.